A very important question. The question is now find the equation of the plane through the intersection of the planes. Equation of planes are given to us and parallel to the line. Line is x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z. Now, the given planes are 3x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 10 and 2x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 4. Now, converting the given equation in standard form. Of the line. Now, this is why the question is very important, because how to convert this type of the equation into the standard form. This is the main thing. Now, what we are going to do? First of all, what you have to do, you just check the coefficients of the variables, coefficient of x, coefficient of y and coefficient of z. Now, find the LCM of the coefficients and then divide the LCM with each of the variables. So, then it reduces to the general equation. Now, so here LCM we are getting as a 6. So, the equation is x upon 6 is equal to y upon 3 is equal to z upon 2. Now, this is the basic thing, this is the main thing for this question. Now, the equation of a plane passes through the intersection of the planes given is 3x minus 4y plus 5z plus lambda with 2x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 10 plus 4 lambda. Now, this can be represented as 3 plus 2 lambda with x plus minus 4 plus 2 lambda with y plus 5 minus 3 lambda with z is equal to 10 plus 4 lambda. Now, up to here simple general things. Now, plane is parallel. It is already given that this is a parallel. Okay. So, plane is parallel to the line with direction ratios proportional to, now here we are getting the points which we have got it. So, direction ratios are proportional to 6, 3 and 2. Now, 6 times with 3 plus 2 lambda plus minus 4 plus 2 lambda with 3 plus 5 minus 3 lambda with 2 is equal to 0. So, now we can get value for a lambda. So, this becomes 18 plus 12 lambda minus 12 plus 6 lambda plus 10 minus 6 lambda is equal to 0. Now we are having 12 lambda, then 18 minus 12 6 plus 16 is equal to 0. This implies 12 lambda is equal to negative of 16 and lambda is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So we got lambda as negative of 4 upon 3. Now substituting, value of lambda is equal to minus 4 by 3 in equation 1. We are getting now, this was the equation 1. So 3 times with 3x minus 4y plus 5z, negative of 4 with 2x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 10 plus 4 times negative of 4 upon 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. So what we are getting now? 9x minus 12y plus 15z minus 8x minus 8y plus 12z is equal to 10 minus 16 upon 3 with 3. Now this we are getting as x minus 20y plus 27z is equal to 40. Hence required equation of plane is x minus 20y plus 27z is equal to 40. This is the answer.